Jahan other cities I can tell about Gujarat like Vadodara, Surat, Ahmedabad, and even Indore, cities which I relate to are having flyovers being put up. Gurgaon, on the other hand, the Millennium City, features an extensive network of underpasses designed to provide signal free travel across its major commercial and residential hubs. Multiple key junctions are on the Delhi Jaipur National Highway NH48 passing from Gurgaon. Rajiv Chowk, Hero Honda Chowk, highly decongested traffic, whereas Vatika Chowk underpass serves as a critical link between Sona Road for Delhi Mumbai Expressway and the southern peripheral road. ये जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो सिग्निफिकेंटली रिड्यूस करते हैं ट्रैवल टाइम एंड एलिमिनेट बॉटल लाइन्स थ्रू आउट द सिटीज बिजिएस्ट कॉरिडोर्स. हम अभी देख रहे हैं इफ्को चौक अंडरपास. फिर after that we'll be visiting Golf Course Road, which is almost like entirely signal free thanks to multiple underpasses at Sikandarpur, Janpak Chowk and Cyber City. So now we have Ifko Chowk, this underpass, which would definitely help us to go to NG Road. Just see that. One more thing to note about this is like we have to follow the like every underpass has speed limits and like 40, 50 according to the way it is built in, and like good work by GMDA and even the traffic police. So people have to follow those rules, otherwise they would be receiving a challan from the traffic police. So now this is leading us to MG Road.
This is Sikandarpur metro station. which is also an interchange for Rapid Metro of Gurgaon.
So as we are seeing, we have on the left side we have road towards the Cyber City, like which is a major area of New Gurgaon. You will see the roads of Cyber City. आपको कोहरा दिख रहा होगा जस्ट बिकॉज दिल्ली की सर्दियां हैं ये अभी रात के 11 बज रहे हैं. So on our right side we have Cyber Hub. Moving around it. Make sure to follow the speed limits right now on this road. Find the slow written, slow लिखा हुआ है हर जगह पे on this underpass roads, tunnels and speed limits. तो मोस्टली जो गुड़गांव के उनको पता है कि स्लो ही चलना है टनल्स में. They know the speed limit. And yeah, look at the Cyber Hub. Thund है so visibility is slightly less. So यहाँ पे you have to be very choosy on which road you are picking up because एक स्लाइड गलती आप कहीं और ही निकलोगे यहाँ से. Like if I would have taken up that road, make a U-turn, you'll be back to Cyberhub again. This amazing foot-over bridge has been put up here. Good thing about Delhi people is people are following rules much here. You'll be finding people with proper helmets, and even the vehicles, they usually are slow. So it's good when people are driving here. I relate to Gujarat and MP, so I can tell. ड्राइविंग सेंस है वो यहाँ दिल्ली गुड़गांव में ज़्यादा बेटर है. लाइक दिल्ली NCR, ओवरऑल इट्स गुड. People are here at 40, 50, 60. It's good. So now we are at this underpass would lead us to Golf Course Road. Having that same, go slow. So mostly यहाँ पे लोग सारे ही स्पीड लिमिट फॉलो कर रहे हैं मोस्टली, एंड दे हैव इवन मेंशन लेन ड्राइविंग करनी है, सबको ओवरटेकिंग नहीं करनी है. दैट आल्सो मोस्टली पीपल आर फॉलोइंग. बट यहाँ आगे वाली आप व्हीकल देख सकते हो. आई थिंक ही इज एन कंफ्यूज्ड ड्यूड, वांट्स टू बी इन मिडिल रो और सो यहाँ पे गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पे अलग अलग सेक्टर्स हैं. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू एंटर इन द कमिंग सेक्टर्स, एंड यू अगेन हैव अनदर अंडरपास थ्रू हियर. अब वापस से यू कैन गो टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्टर्स. एंड या ऊपर जो है रैपिड मेट्रो चल रही है, गुड़गांव मेट्रो. So we are again entering into, and this is Golf Course Road. We are again entering the underpass. Again, we have to lane drive, speed limit, and overtaking. metro station. And on both the sides we have sectors to enter. So similarly we have this Gold Coast Road extending till more two sectors, and same underpasses would be there if we want to go to further sectors. But right now we will be checking out Gold Coast Road further. We have link advents here. एक और चीज़ जो दिल्ली की पब्लिक की अच्छी है वो है कि इफ़ यू आर गिविंग इंडिकेटर तो वो हट जाता है, और ये चीज़ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी, लाइक दे आर नॉट इन हरी, विल बी रिस्पेक्टिंग कि मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. So most of the times like I'm not finding people that they don't give you way. जैसा हम बात कर रहे थे, वी हैव गोल्ड कोस्ट रोड, वी आर ऑन गोल्ड कोस्ट रोड इंडिया. ऊपर के साइड वी हैव रैपिड मेट्रो विच इज गुड़गांव's वेरी ओन मेट्रो, DLF की है. That's where it is put in. पहले हम टनल के अंदर से जा रहे थे, नाउ बाहर से देख रहे हैं कि हाउ दिस इज अगेन सेक्टर 42 43 मेट्रो स्टेशन. एक और चीज़ जो गुड़गांव की अच्छी है, यहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा हॉन्किंग नहीं करेंगे. इफ रिक्वायर्ड दे हॉन्क, अदरवाइज नॉट. एंड सेम इट वाज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन चंडीगढ़ बाय चंडीगढ़ पुलिस. वहाँ पे इफ यू इररिलेवेंटली हॉन्क, सो वहाँ पे आई थिंक दे आर इवन हैविंग द चलान सिस्टम, आई थिंक विच इज़ मच मोर गुड. Comparatively, if we find people honk less here, very less, and yeah, at least I can say about Indore की जनता बहुत ज़्यादा honk करती है, irrelevant honking, which is much not required. And I think, and if we are in Indore, we should think of it, और required है तभी honk करो, necessary हो तभी, otherwise it's not required. Left side we were having the traffic coming from Huda City, again Millennium City Centre metro station, same. And check out Golf Course Road. This is those who don't want to enter sectors can whichever sectors they are from. तो ये ब्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करते हैं एंड ये इन्फॉर्मेशन को भी यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. I hope this information was useful, or we would be seeing things to learn from Gurgaon and Gurgaon's infrastructure. Totally appreciable how the efforts have been put up, and even since Gurgaon is a new city, and I definitely hope it will further improve the infrastructure more for the city. और यही चीज़ हम टेक अप करते हैं. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, इफ़ यू आर सीइंग इट फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम, डू शेयर इट and follow the account for more such updates. And if you are seeing it from YouTube, please do subscribe if you are liking the content, and for more content, and please do like and share this video. Thanks for being here. Thank you.